A wild mix. Can wild and domestic cats interbreed? This question has fascinated scientists and cat enthusiasts alike for many years. The animal kingdom is full of surprising pairings, but can wild cats like servals and leopards truly breed with our domestic companions? The answer is more complex than a simple yes or no. The answer is a resounding yes, but with significant caveats. These caveats are rooted in the genetic and behavioral differences between wild and domestic cats. While seemingly worlds apart, domestic cats, Felis catus, share a surprising amount of genetic material with their wild counterparts. This genetic similarity is what makes interbreeding possible. This shared ancestry allows for interbreeding, resulting in captivating creatures known as hybrid cats. These hybrids often exhibit a mix of traits from both parent species, making them unique and intriguing. This interbreeding, however, is not without its complexities. The process is fraught with challenges, both genetic and ethical. Successful hybridization depends on compatible chromosome numbers and shared evolutionary lineages. For instance, domestic cats possess 38 chromosomes, while servals have 36. Despite this difference, successful mating can still occur, although it often results in reduced fertility, especially in male offspring. This reduced fertility is a significant factor to consider when discussing hybrid cats. Furthermore, the ethics of intentionally breeding wild and domestic cats are hotly debated. While some argue that it dilutes wild gene pools and raises welfare concerns, others champion the creation of unique and beautiful companion animals. These differing viewpoints make the topic highly controversial. Regardless of the stance, the reality is that hybrid cats exist, and understanding their unique characteristics is crucial. These cats often require special care and attention due to their mixed heritage. Ultimately, the question of whether wild and domestic cats can interbreed is less about biological possibility and more about ethical responsibility. As we delve deeper into the world of hybrid cats, we must carefully consider the implications of mixing wildness with domesticity. The future of these unique animals depends on our understanding and ethical considerations. Hybrid cats represent a captivating blend of wild and domestic feline traits. These captivating creatures inherit physical characteristics and instincts from their wild ancestors, resulting in a diverse array of appearances and temperaments. Some popular hybrid breeds include Savannah cats, a cross between a serval and a domestic cat. Savannahs are known for their tall, slender builds, striking spotted coats, and long legs. Their exotic appearance and playful nature have made them increasingly popular. Bengal cats, created by crossing Asian leopard cats with domestic cats, Bengals are admired for their luxurious leopard-like spots and rosettes. They are often described as active and intelligent cats with a love for water. Chausie cats, a hybrid of the jungle cat and domestic cats, Chausies possess a wild, untamed beauty. Their short, dense coats range in color from brown ticked tabby to black, and their loyal, affectionate personalities make them desirable companions. These are just a few examples of the fascinating array of hybrid cat breeds. Each hybrid type carries a unique blend of wild and domestic traits, resulting in diverse appearances, personalities, and care requirements. As we explore these hybrid variations further, it is important to remember that they are not merely exotic pets, but living creatures deserving of respect, understanding, and responsible care. Generational divide understanding F1, F2, and F3 hybrids is essential for anyone interested in hybrid cats. The world of hybrid cats operates on a generational scale, with each generation denoted by an F designation followed by a number. This system helps breeders and owners understand the lineage and characteristics of each hybrid cat. Understanding these generational differences is crucial, as it directly correlates to the percentage of wild blood in a hybrid and, consequently, its appearance, temperament, and potential challenges. The higher the percentage of wild blood, the more pronounced the wild traits. F1 hybrids represent the first filial generation, meaning they are the direct offspring of a wild cat and a domestic cat. This makes them unique and often more challenging to care for. F1 hybrids possess the highest percentage of wild blood, typically around 50%, resulting in the most pronounced wild traits. These traits can include a more muscular build, distinctive markings, and a higher level of energy and curiosity. They often exhibit more demanding temperaments, requiring experienced owners equipped to handle their specific needs. These cats may need more stimulation and a carefully managed environment to thrive. F2 hybrids, the offspring of two F1 hybrids, have a lower percentage of wild blood, usually around 25%. This reduction in wild genes often leads to a more manageable temperament compared to their F1 counterparts. F2 hybrids can be more affectionate and easier to train, making them suitable for a wider range of households. However, they may still retain some wild instincts and require specific care. It's important to provide them with appropriate toys and activities to keep them engaged. F3 hybrids, born from breeding two F2 hybrids, possess even less wild blood, typically around 12.5%. This further dilution of wild genes generally results in cats with more predictable temperaments and domestic traits. F3 hybrids are often more relaxed and can adapt well to various living environments. However, responsible breeders continue to carefully select for desired characteristics and health. Breeding programs aim to balance the wild traits with domestic qualities to produce well-rounded hybrid cats. As the generational number increases, the percentage of wild blood decreases, generally leading to cats with more predictable temperaments and fewer wild instincts. This makes later generations more suitable for typical domestic life. However, it's crucial to remember that each hybrid cat is an individual, and generalization should not overshadow their unique personalities and needs. Every hybrid cat has its own quirks and characteristics, making them special in their own way. The fertility question: male hybrid sterility. One of the most intriguing aspects of hybrid cats is the phenomenon of male sterility, particularly in early generations. This issue is not just a minor inconvenience, but a significant hurdle that breeders must navigate carefully. This biological quirk adds another layer of complexity to the world of hybrid breeding and raises important questions about the long-term viability of certain hybrid lines. Breeders often find themselves in a constant battle to balance the wild and domestic traits in these cats. Male F1 hybrids are almost always sterile, meaning they are incapable of reproducing. This sterility is a significant barrier to the propagation of hybrid lines and requires innovative solutions. This sterility stems from the incompatibility of chromosomes inherited from their wild and domestic parents. The genetic material from these two different species doesn't always align perfectly, leading to reproductive issues. While the female egg cell can accommodate the varied chromosome numbers, the male sperm cell faces greater challenges, often resulting in non-viable offspring. This discrepancy is a fascinating example of how genetics can influence reproductive success. Interestingly, this sterility often persists in later generations, with male F2 and even some F3 hybrids exhibiting infertility. This ongoing issue suggests that the genetic incompatibilities are deeply rooted and not easily overcome. This generational carryover of sterility highlights the enduring influence of wild genes and the complexities of interspecies breeding. It serves as a reminder of the challenges involved in merging two distinct genetic pools. The issue of male hybrid sterility has significant implications for breeders. It affects their ability to produce viable offspring and maintain the desired traits in their hybrid lines. Producing fertile male hybrids often requires careful backcrossing with domestic cats over multiple generations. This process is not only time-consuming but also requires a deep understanding of genetics and breeding techniques. This process aims to dilute the wild genes responsible for sterility while preserving desired hybrid traits. It is a delicate balancing act that requires patience and precision. However, it is a lengthy and challenging endeavor, often requiring meticulous record-keeping and genetic testing. Breeders must be diligent in their efforts to track genetic lines and ensure the health and viability of their cats. While male sterility in hybrid cats presents challenges for breeders, it also underscores the remarkable resilience of nature and the intricate dance of genetics that shapes life on Earth. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe for more fur content. And as always, this is Fur Galactica signing off.